candidates, in this case, max problem, quantitative aptitude, as I told you, you may think, you may laugh at me when I tell you like this. But for doing all these things correctly, you must be, for everything, you have to do it quickly. So you must have tables up to 20, then squares up to 50, cubes up to 25, then all the formula of rectangle, square, sphere, simple interest, compound interest, everything you must be thorough with. Once you are thorough with them, then it will be easy. Now, based on that, you will be working out these problems. Now, um, who can answer my question? Please raise your hand. Somebody volunteers to answer. I will ask simple question only. I won't ask very tough. Please raise your hand. Nobody, no problem. I understand. We are all 20,000 kilometers away. I cannot make you come near to me. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Candidates, please do 36 to 40. 36 to 40. Given table shows the data of population in 5 different parks. Study the data carefully and answer the questions. A, total population 400, out of which female is 150. B, 500, female 200. C, 700, female 350. D, 800, female 450. E, 900, female 500. Total population is equal to male population plus female population. That means in the matter of D, 800 is 450 means male must be 350. That is the idea. So you can have one more column and put it there. That is the thing. For example, 400, 150 plus 250, 500, 200 plus 300, 700, 350 plus 350, 800, 450 plus 350, 900, 500 plus 400. Now, please work out the problem 36 to 40. If 20% of the total population did not visit on a particular day in Park A, of which male population was 60%, then what percent of total population in Park B is male population who visited in Park A? 20% of the total population did not visit on a particular day in Park A. On of which male population was 60%, then what percent of total population in Park B is male population is who visited in Park A? What is the answer for this?
What percentage of population of this may be 50% of total population did not visit on a particular day, of which male population was 60%. percent.
I think anybody else could follow this question. I think understanding is difficult.
40.4, sir.
Correct. Super. Can you explain how? I will show you the answer.
1% of total.
Good. 36. This is the answer. That is the. Can you explain? That girl who got correct answer. Please explain. Male population. Read and then explain. You did this way only or different way?
Sir, in Park A, there is 400 is population and 20% is absent. So, and in 20%, 60% is male. So we get it 48, and we deduct it from the total male population. It is 250 in Park A. And then we get 102, which is the male which is present in Park A. So we can
Here we will come to this for 34.
yeah, 102 divided by
202.
500.
202.
So 202 divided by 500.
Yeah. 202 divided by 200.
500.
If 20% of the total population did not visit on a particular day in Park A, of which male population was 60%, then what percent of total population in Park B is male population who visited in Park A? So 20% means it comes to 48. 48 plus 150. Sorry, 48 plus which one? 48 plus what is that one? 48.
48 is deducted from 250, sir. Total male population in A.
Yeah, that is 40. Yeah, will be deducted. 150 plus another 48. That is 198 will be deducted. So that will be 202. So required percentage is 202 divided by 500. That 500 from where that number came? 500.
That is the total
That is Park
population
B.
in B.
Because we are talking about Park B only. Correct. Park B total population is 500. That is why that 500 was taken. Correct. Good. Now go to 37. What is the answer? What is the average of male population in Park B, C, and D? That is not tough. It is easy.
Option D, sir.
That is easy.
Option D, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Option D. How
Yes,
did you
sir.
arrive this? Average of male population in B. Male population in B is 300. Male population
Yes,
in
sir.
C is 350. 300 plus 350 is 650 and
650.
650 and D
And
it
D
is
population.
350. Then
Yes, sir.
3000. 1000 divided by 3 is 333.33. Somebody is Sri Naina, you are going on talking. Narina, please switch off your mic when you are not really participating here. So that it is very easy. Of the problems, this is the easiest problem. That is male population you can find out here. Add all those three, it becomes 1000. Average means 1000 divided by 3, 333.33. Now what is the answer for 38?
Option E, sir.
Option D. Correct?
E,
Eh,
sir.
Option E, na?
Option E, sir.
E,
Yes, sir.
correct. Option E. The male population in Park E is, how much is the male population Park E? 900 minus 500 is equal to 400. Then required percentage is equal to, in the other park it is 450 minus 400, that is 50. 50 divided by 400 into 12 into 100 is equal to 12.5. Correct. 39,
A option, sir.
that is option is E. Correct. Now what about 40? Sorry. This one only we were answering.
Yes.
Correct. No. This is 38 we have done. 37, 39. Male population in Park A and D. How much?
39. Yes, sir.
39. Answer is A.
A.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. Yeah. How it will come? Male population in A and D is equal to 400 minus 150 plus 800 minus 450 is equal to 600. That is easy to find. 600. Required ratio is equal to 600 is to, the balance is 700. That is 6 is to 7. Correct. Question number 40. What is the answer? Question number 40. If 30 females from each park are above 80 years of age, Are Baba, then find the average number of females who are below or equal to the age of 80 years from all the parks. Oh, Baba. It's only, yeah.
C,
What is
sir.
the answer? Is C. Correct. 300. How did you work it out? Tell us.
Sir, after subtracting 30 from all the female population, then addition divided by 5, sir, average.
See, the total female population comes to 1650. And from all the 5, you have to subtract 30. That means 150. So once you subtract 1650 minus 150, you get 1500 divided by 5 is equal to 300. That is answer C. Good. Now next question 41. The ratio of ages. So data interpretation is easy. And because everything is available in the table, from there you can do. But you must familiarize yourself by doing problems in tables, then circles, then bar, everything you must do. The problems are given in this book itself. Otherwise, you can refer to indiabix.com, indiabix.com. Sri Narina raised hand. What happened? Narina, you raised
Sir,
a, yeah. Narina, I
sir, I
told you
raised.
because somebody was going on talking in your room. So that was, are you staying in a hostel?
No, sir.
House only. So I know the
Yes,
house,
sir.
you can't stop house people from talking. Only thing is you can maximum request them, but then you can switch off your mic. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதா? மனசிலாயோ? Yeah. Now the question is 41. The ratio of the ages of A and B is 5:3. The sum of the present ages of A, B, and C is 80 years. If present age of C is equal to sum of the present ages of A and B, then find the present age of A. You should put X, Y, and then carry on. Only 2 people are there, A, B, and the third one is C. The present age of A and B is in the ratio 5:3. the sum of the present ages of A, B, and C is 80 years. If present age of C is equal to sum of the present ages of A and B, find the present age of A. Acha, here the important point is the ratio of age 4 years ago. That is a point to be remembered. 4 years ago. So, if the present age of A is X, X minus 4. If the present age of B is Y, Y minus 4 is equal to 5 is to 3 or 5 by 3. X minus 4 divided by Y minus 4 is equal to 5 by 3. Then you cross multiply. You will get 3x minus 12 is equal to 5y minus 20. You will get like this. And then 3x is equal to 5y minus 8. I am retaining this because you need the question also. 5y minus 8. That is first equation. Second equation, let the present age of C be Z years. So x plus y plus z is equal to 80. X plus y is equal to z. X plus y is equal to 40. Because x plus y, both of them together is 80. That is x plus y is equal to 40. You have two equations. 3x is equal to 5y minus 8. Another one, x plus y is equal to 40. When you solve, you will get x as 24 years. Are you able to find this solution? When I give you equation, 3x is equal to 5y minus 8. Or in other words, 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 8. Then x plus y is equal to 40. So you multiply this second equation by 3. 3x plus 3y is equal to 120. From there you can find out. Okay, good. Next one, number 42. Please, I am reading the question. The ratio of the speed of boat in still water, correct, to speed of stream is 8:1. It takes 4 hours by boat to cover 54 kilometers in downstream and 42 kilometers in upstream in 4 hours. Find the downstream speed of the boat. Please work out. The ratio of the speed of the boat in still water to speed to stream is 8:1. Let the speed of the boat in still water and stream be 8x kilometers per hour and x kilometers per hour. That is because it is only one. Then as per the question, it is told it takes 4 hours by boat to cover 54 kilometers and it takes 42 kilometers in upstream. So 54 divided by 8x plus x, 42 divided by 8x minus x is equal to 4. One minute. Hari please. சாப்பாடு வைக்கல மணி ஆச்சு. வச்சாச்சா? ஓ. இல்ல அவசரம் இல்லை. I'll take some time. Yeah. What is it? 54 by 8x plus x plus 42 by 8x minus x is equal to 4. So here, you will get 6 by x plus 6 by x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 3. Downstream speed is equal to 8x plus x, 20, that is 8x is equal to 8 into 3, 24 plus 3 is equal to 27 kilometers per hour. Good. Now please go to question number 43. Manoj gave 60% of his salary to his wife and invested rest of the amount in mutual funds. His wife spends 30% of the amount on grocery and 20% on rent. From remaining amount, she purchased gold worth rupees 18,000. Find the salary of Manoj. Question number 43. Manoj gave 60% of his salary to his wife. Yeah.
60,000.
What is the answer?
60,000, sir.
Super. Very good. Congrats. Congrats. I will just tell for others who have not got the answer. Let the salary of Manoj be 100x. Then how much is he giving to his wife? 60x. Then 60, she spends for 18,000 on gold. So 60x into 50 by 100 is equal to 18,000, or x is equal to 600. What is the salary of Manoj? How many x? 100x. If x is equal to 600, 100x is equal to 600 into 100 is equal to 60,000 rupees. I think this is an easy problem. I wish you should get similar easy problems in your exam also. Nowadays, the standard may be slightly higher than this also. Question number 44. The length and breadth of a rectangle is in ratio 4:7. Okay. If perimeter is 88 centimeter, if perimeter is 88 centimeter, find the area of rectangle. What is perimeter? If the length of the rectangle is L, length of the breadth of the rectangle is B. 2L plus 2B is equal to perimeter. Sutralabu. Tamil, we call it as sutralabu. That is one length, two lengths, one breadth, two breadths. So 2 lengths and 2 breadth is equal to perimeter. Area is equal to what? Length into breadth, LB. Length into breadth, width. Some people call it in Canada and all, they call it as width. Length into width. So here, the length and breadth of the 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter. As per the question, 2 into 4x plus 7x is equal to 88. Can you find x? How much are you getting x?
Option E, sir.
4. X we are getting 4. So area of rectangle is 4x into 7x. 4x means how much? 16. 7x means how much? 28. So 16 into 28 is equal to 448 centimeter square. The answer is what? C. Is that clear, please? At least some of you, are you following? Yeah, very happy. Now we will go for the next last problem. That is 45. The radius of a circle is 14 centimeter. What is the area of another circle having radius 1.5 times the actual circle? Very, very easy problem. I think very, very easy problem. The area of the, sorry, the radius of the first circle is how much? 14 centimeter. What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. Now that is not required. Now we are asked to find out the next one. What is the radius of the next circle? 1.5 times. 1.5 times means what? Original is 14. What is 1.5? 21. So pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. They will always give a number which will be divisible by 7. So once you do that, you will get the answer 1386 centimeter square. Is that clear? Question
Yes, sir.
number 45. Very good. Now, is it okay? Now it's already, what is the time now? 12:10. Yeah. Very good. Thank you so much. Now, we will close this one with this. And now, is there any questions you would like to ask? Any doubt? Let me tell you, number one, practice, practice, practice is what is more important. You must improve your vocabulary. You must improve your speed of reading English language. You must try to understand things properly and then mark the answers. This is the only thing. There is no other go. Only practice will help you. Now, is there any questions you would like to ask? We will meet again tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. I told you we will continue with that State Bank. State Bank, nobody has covered it. I request if some of you can work it out. Yes, please. You got some problems solved in that reasoning? Tell me.
Yeah, sir, the level of exam is IBPS PO level, no?
PO plus slightly higher level. It is not same, slightly higher level. It will become tough because in this exam, they will ask questions relating to history. In which year the capital of India was transferred from Kolkata to Delhi? In which year Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? So they will ask such history questions also. They will ask some question relating to science also. I have given you science question book also. You can read that. We'll be spending some days in reading that also. So science question they will ask. They will ask, say your history questions, geography questions. What is the capital of Turkey? And they will not ask some silly question. That which is now in news, they will ask. For example, I expect a question on what is the capital of Bangladesh and who is the new Prime Minister of Bangladesh. This type of questions I am expecting, and I wish you should get that. So like that question, current affairs also they will ask. What is the inflation rate in the month of July or June? Like that. Who is the one of the following is not deputy governor of RBI? Who is that? Like that, some current affair questions. Sometimes there can be banking questions. How many RRBs are there? Then what is the capital contribution made by state government in RRB? It is 15%. Like that, questions relating to banking also will be there. So that is why this examination is slightly tougher than your prelims examination. Prelims itself is very tough. Prelims itself is very tough. But in that, in some states like Uttar Pradesh, for IBPS, RRB, PO, cutoff is 72 out of 80. Quants and reasoning, 72 out of 80. If some of you have cleared RRB, PO, you will be getting very good marks here in reasoning and English. Then for you, other areas are English, then computer and marketing. We will study about that later on. I have given you materials about that also. We will study. For your question, the answer, whether the standard is only, what is that? Prelims. No, prelims plus mains. But here what we will do, we will concentrate only prelims level questions because we have only 1 month time before us. So that is the reason. And if time permits, in the last few days, we may take up 1 or 2 mains problems also. Okay. Thank you so much. And every day the syllabus has been increasing, standard of syllabus improving. You have to believe me when I say, when the exam was introduced, the mathematics questions used to be 54 plus 48 plus 94 plus what is equal to 222. That is the question. Then 158 minus what is equal to 84. That is the standard of I prepared books in those days also. In those days, we used to have only one magazine, Competition Success Review. That was only there. Whereas now only we are getting very good magazines. Some of you, if you can buy that Mica magazine, MICA. Mica magazine will be a current affairs Mica. Mahendra's Institute Current Affairs. If you buy that, you will get who is who. I have posted recently to you up to May. This is what they have given in August. If you buy now, by August 16, 17, you go to the shop, you will get a September issue. You can buy that. In that book, you will have some question papers also. You can work out those questions also and improve your reasoning, maths, and all that. So, but I wish it should be easy, but it will not be competition of the level of IBPS main. No, full IBPS main, it will not be there. That is 70% will be prelims, 30% may be mains. That is what it is. But after clearing that, what is most important is GD. I will guide you for that also. And then interview skills. And in this text exam, the problem with our Federal Bank is that they will announce the result, immediately conduct GD. They will announce the result on 3rd or 4th of September, and the GD will be online immediately from 11th of September. And the interview will start immediately from 18th or 19th. So you will have maximum, and they are going to conduct interview in 21 centers. I am only one here. They are 21 centers. So they will conduct very fast. So to make it easy, I will conduct, if necessary, for immediately after the results are over, GD results are over, I will conduct first mock interview. I will guide you before the GD about banking also, some of the questions. Then after the dates are announced, I will conduct the interview for final interview. Then once you go and appear for the interviews, then come I'll be requesting you to give the questions. Then I will include it in the paper. I have collected so far 200 plus pages of questions asked in Federal Bank only. In Federal Bank only, you know, say in the year 2022, 2023. Yeah. So this is what it is. And after this test is over, I will ask you to pay 608 rupees, those who want to come for GD and interview. Then those who clear GD will pay 300 rupees for the 2 mock interviews. That is the procedure. Last year, the success rate was very good. Initially, 700 people came to me. Out of that, nearly about 300 plus got selected in GD. And out of that, 200 people got selected. 120 as officers, 80 as clerks. I wish we should improve the score this time also. Best wishes. Any questions, please ask. Any
Sir,
question? Yeah.
sir, for current affairs, how we need to prepare,
Ah,
sir? How
I will,
much money?
I have already given you April, May, June, July current affairs to you. I have given to you in the general awareness. I have given you a link known as general awareness, or I don't know whether I have posted in this only, whether it is here only or other place. Let me see. So I have not given here. I have given it in general awareness. I have given you a link known as general awareness. In that general awareness, you will see that. If you want to see that, I will show you. One of you tell me your first 5 numbers. First 5 numbers, I can see it here. You don't have to tell me. I can take it here. 85759. Yeah. I have not sent the material to him. Then 63812. Yeah. Here you see, I have given you sales aptitude also, test preparation, general awareness I have given you. This is the general awareness link. And you know, this is the link I am showing it to you so that you will be able to prepare. You see here, general awareness,
Yes.
I have given you a lot. GK, April, June, May, July, I think I have not given. If I get it, I will give. July, I think it has not come. If it comes, I will give you. On July, something else I have given you. This is July. This is July. 26 pages material. So if you want, we can take a challenge. Tomorrow, you please go through this and come. We will spend about 15 minutes on this one only. I will ask 10 questions only out of this. How many questions? 26 pages means 1 page. How many questions are there? 5 questions? 10 questions? 1 page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions are there. Let us take it as 6. 26 into 6 will be roughly 150, 170 questions. Please prepare for that and come. I will ask here. Okay. So one of you take charge. Nidisha, please take charge. Post in our group tomorrow class at 8:30 p.m. Please prepare general awareness. Please prepare general awareness July MCQ 26 pages. You put like that, they will understand because that is the first
Okay.
fight. That is the first fight. Nidisha, please take care of
Yes.
this.
Yes,
Nidisha,
sir.
Nidisha will put it today in the now itself before going to bed. Tomorrow morning, I want somebody else, volunteer boys, Balaji. Balaji, Sri Balaji, are you there? Not talking. Sri Balaji is not talking. Anup Kumar, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Yeah, Anup Kumar. Tomorrow morning after getting up from the bed 8 o'clock, sorry, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, you please put our class will be, you again repeat, it doesn't matter. Class will be at 8:30 p.m. Please also read general awareness, July 26 pages material given in general awareness link. If possible, give that link in our group. Don't give to others, give to our people. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Thank you. Best of luck. Today's session was really good. I enjoyed it. I wish you all best of luck. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.